Hi everyone, Adam Feldman with the Feldman Law Firm. Thanks for hanging out today. I'm here to answer the question, what to do if you are pulled over for a DUI. There are tons of videos out there that can tell you what to do. Everything from don't take field sobriety tests, don't blow in the handheld device, contact your attorney, and this is all excellent advice, but there are some other tips and techniques that you might want to employ that you really haven't heard of. And the biggest thing that I hear is, well, is there anything that I can proactively and defensively do prior to actually being stopped? And the answer is absolutely. So the first thing is this. You see those lights behind you. You know there are going to be two automatic questions from the officer, license and registration. All right, so the best thing you can do is get those out and ready for the police officer before he even gets to the car. That way, you can crack the window when he gets there and hand those things to him upon request. Because one of the things that you're going to see every time in every single police report is an officer saying, I asked for the license and registration and the person was slow to get it, or he was fumbling through his dash or wallet, or sometimes a lot of people don't even know where their registration is. And while that might be embarrassing to hear, it's true. A lot of people don't know where the registration is, so you're flipping through your glove department and you can't find it. Well, they're going to include that in the report to basically say that you were drunk. So always make sure that before you even come to a stop, obviously doing this safely, get your license and get your registration out so you are giving them less ammunition. That's the first thing. The second thing is crack your window. Don't open it all the way down. Why would you do that? Well, most people would think, well, I want to crack it, or I want to bring the window all the way down so I can talk to the police officer. Don't do it. Crack the window just enough to talk to the police officer so that he or she can hear you. The more you open your window, the more that officer can stick his head into your car, and the more that he can smell your breath. If you crack the window just a little bit, he can hear you, you can hear him, you guys can carry on the appropriate conversation. But when that window is all the way down, he can claim that he could smell your breath. If it's cracked, you're protecting yourself. So that is a unique tip that most people won't tell you about. Another thing, police have that ability to lie in their police report. And what are you going to do to say otherwise? Honestly, nothing, because it's your word against a police officer's word. So a lot of people are carrying these dash-mounted phone carriers, for lack of a better term, where you can follow Google Maps, you can do anything with it. But you can also position it in a way that it is recording your interaction between you and the police officer. This is the best, most important tool you have to defend yourself. Use it. So if you are alone, position your camera on that dash mount so that it is capturing whatever interaction you have with law enforcement. Press record on a video and just let it stream. That way, when the officer comes up and starts asking you questions or whatever the interaction is, he doesn't get to go back to his police report and then claim that you did things and you're left defenseless because you have video. Now in Arizona, remember, it is a one-party consent state. So you don't have to tell the police officer you're videoing him or her. He may observe it and he might tell you to turn it off. You do not have to. It is perfectly legal to videotape law enforcement during their interaction. So do it. And you don't have to tell them that you're doing it. Just do it. The next thing is, maybe you don't have that dash mount, but if you have a passenger, make sure that the passenger is video recording you. Because once again, this officer can come up and say that you were mumbling your words, that you were slurring your speech, that you were non-responsive with his questions, and all of these are in his mind, indication that you are impaired by alcohol. But if you have some way to record this, you are setting yourself up for the perfect defense. If you can't do it yourself and you have a passenger, please have that passenger do this for you. He or she, whoever that passenger is not breaking the law by doing this. They are helping you defend yourself. So I can give you 1,000,001 tips on how to protect yourself with a DUI, but these are the more unique tips that you won't find scattered throughout the internet right now. So start with those two, and we'll certainly create forums for other ways that you can assist in defending yourself we'll provide that here on the Hangout place, but this should be a good start to at least protect yourself just before the police officer even gets to the car and during that initial interaction. So I hope this information in and of itself helps. Even if it's a little bit, it can help you out a tremendous amount later on down the road. If you have any questions, if you have any thoughts, if you have any tips or whatever you want to add, this is an open forum. You can add comments here and I will respond to it. My cell phone is listed below, 602-540-7887. You can call me, you can ask for pointers, you can ask for tips. If you have been arrested, we can schedule a consultation. I'm more than willing to help you out. I'm one of the few attorneys who actually gives out his cell phone so you can reach out to me and ask these questions. If you need it, please reach out to me. Wish you best of luck and drive safe out there. Thanks so much.